Hi everyone, this is Andreas, and it's an exciting day as we're going to write our first command in Python. In this lecture, we'll learn how to use the idle program that comes bundled with our Python interpreter. We'll be writing our code using the idle program, so let's first launch it. You can search for it by typing idle in the search box. Once it is found, click on the idle or the Python GUI to launch it. The Python shell appears on our screen. A shell is a program that lets you type instructions into the computer, much like the terminal or command prompt on the OS X and Windows, respectively. We can enter one command at a time. The shell waits for a command and from the user to execute it, and then returns the result of the execution. After this, the shell waits for the next command. The lines are starting with 3 greater than symbols. Let's do some examples. Type 5 plus 10, enter. The shell returns the answer 15. Now type 5 greater than 1. You are asking the shell if 5 is greater than 1. The shell replies true. So the shell is suitable for running one command at a time. It is a very convenient tool for texting Python commands, especially when we are starting to get started with the language. However, if you exit from the Python shell and enter it again, all the commands you type will be gone. Besides, you cannot use the Python shell to create an actual program. But if you want to write an entire program, the answer is the file editor. To code a simple program, you need to write the code in a text file and save it with a .py extension. This file is known as a Python script. You can enter the file editor from File, and then New File. It's similar to a text editor, and it lets you type in manual instructions, save the file, and run the program. Keep in mind that the interactive shell window will always be the one with the 3 greater than symbol prompt. Instead, the file editor window will not have this prompt. Thank you for watching till the end. Thank you for being here. And don't forget to like this video if you found some value in it. And do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll catch you in the next video.